2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. Can you tell me 2.5 how much actually? Come on, 25. Imagine so-and-so person having 2.5 acres. How many acres, man? Then how much he may get actually? Right. Now here this line, it will be helpful actually. Okay, 2.5. You can just have to touch this one. 2.5. No, I'm sure 25 acres actually. Yeah, this is the data point. Indirectly, line is helping to do the prediction. Who is helping? Imagine if that line is not available, though this one is a normal data 2.5, 25 you are telling. Just imagine something like a unknown domain. Suddenly somebody asked input value actually. Input value they have given. Then only you have to believe the line. You have to believe what exactly, man? You can draw actually. Then let me ask a question. For 3.5, how much actually? 35. Yeah, exactly. You can just have to touch all these lines. 35. 3.5. Hey, man, I don't have a scale, please. Scale is Sarna Degra. 35. What exactly mean? 35. 35 actually. Right. I would like to tell this one is a what exactly Sarji? Prediction value. What value Sarji? Prediction. Prediction. This one also prediction. This one also what exactly? Prediction actually. Prediction. Wow. Seriously awesome. This line is called as a regression line. This line is called as what, man? Regression. This line mano regression line antam. Prediction line. Next one, best fitted line. Best what exactly man? Fitted line. Best fitted line. Okay. That's what you need to be understood. It's easy, sir. Don't worry. Now, can you tell me what do you mean by regression? Draw a line over the data. Over the data. Kada? Regression line. ఇప్పుడు నేను మీకు ఒక శ్లోకం చెప్పమంటారా? I mean to say one Ream theorem actually. Daniel, there is a data set. Okay. There is a data set, right? First, what we need to do, Sachi, we do have a columns. We do have what exactly mean? Columns actually. Over that column, we need to find what exactly relationship. We need to find what exactly mean? Relation. One more time, we need to find relation. How to find relation? By using correlation. By using what exactly? After correlation, you can go for regression. You can go for what, man? Regression. Don't ask what is regression. Just know a covered. Then go for prediction. Then go for what exactly, man? Prediction. మీరు last two words కన్నా చదివితే ION, TION, it's okay. ION. Trust me, this I created. నేను గుర్తుంచుకోవడానికి నేను క్రియేట్ చేశాను. ఒకసారి చదువుదని చూడండి. How nice it is, ఈ డెఫినేషన్ మీకు బుక్స్ లో కూడా దొరుకుతుంది. Even Google also. Let me repeat again. First one, relation, correlation, regression, prediction. అంటే ప్రిడిక్షన్ కి ముందు ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి. బిఫోర్ ప్రిడిక్షన్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ. రిపీటింగ్ వన్ మోర్ టైం. రిలేషన్, correlation, regression, prediction. That's it. This is the final. Last week I didn't cover regression. Why? Because the regression topic not came actually. Last week what I covered, relation, correlation, prediction. In between correlation and prediction, one more word that is called as a regression actually. చదువుతారా లాస్ట్ టైం? కెన్ యూ రిపీట్ వన్ మోర్ టైం? రిలేషన్, కోరిలేషన్, రిగ్రెషన్, ప్రిడిక్షన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సార్. ఇది చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, కెన్ ఐ టేక్ దిస్ డయాగ్రామాటిక్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్? స్టెప్స్ టు డూ ప్రిడిక్షన్. ప్రిడిక్షన్ చేయడానికంటే ముందు ఏం స్టెప్స్ ఉంటాయి? డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఆర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇఫ్ యూ రియల్లీ ఫాలో కీ నోట్. Easy, very easy. Now let me ask you one question. Hence, what is the time? 10:19. So we have a good amount of the time. What is a regression? Just a simple definition. Chapana Sachi, draw a line over the data. Draw a line over the data. That line is called as a regression line, prediction line, best fitted. Why this line, Daniel? Actually, this line is helping to do. Why this line? లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ. నేను మీకు ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ చెప్తాను చూడండి. లైన్ కు ఒక బెస్ట్, ఫర్ ది లైన్ లెట్ మీ గివ్ వన్ బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. One day what happened, Sachi, when I was in small kid actually, in my childhood, one day I just asked one question to my father. One day I just asked one question to what exactly my father. What is the question I asked, dear father, can you tell me how this village started actually? I am from village. What is my question? Asli, ee village ela started endo adigan. How this village started actually. Then my father started giving explanation. Dear son, first this house came. Oh, next to this house came. Next one, this house came. Next one, this house actually. Next one, this house. Slowly by slowly, village is what exactly happening, sir, increasing. Slowly by slowly, village is what happening. The houses are increasing. Then automatically the government focus, came onto the village actually. So villages are increasing. Let us just try to construct a road actually. Let us just try to construct what exactly, man? That road is nothing but a regression line. Just imagine. Now imagine if any person wanted to buy house actually, first they will check travel. Adulo konru kada. Am I right? First they will check what exactly the road path actually. Near to main road, how much it is. Am I right? Best example, even when you are staying in a PZ, to touch the main road, how long it takes actually. Now the next prediction can be maybe houses may be established here. Houses may be established here actually. Houses may be construct here. Like that the house keep on increase actually. This line is called as a regression line. That line is called as a, just for your better understanding, that line may be not straight line, curve line kuda undochu. Did you understand, sir? Move on. Online team, how are you doing, sir? No response from anybody. Are you following? మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా టాపిక్? How are you? At least respond somebody. Soumya garu, thank you. Satya, Mukhtar sir, good. Karthik, Satya, Said sir, Shreya garu, Aditya. Continue. How is our material? Cheppandaya. Good. It is really good actually. Please follow the material. We are giving the best material. Not every faculty will give material. This is the confirmation. Right? Fine. Let's move on. Correlation. Correlation explains, I hope I already covered this one subject, how we measure the direction and strength of what exactly, man? Linear relationship. In between what exactly? Quantitative variable. Don't worry. Correlation is a technique. By using that, we can find the relationship in between variables, in between columns. Simple definition always. Go for that. Yeah, Daniel, this one is on x-axis numerical data, y-axis also numerical data. Then that is called as a quantitative relationship. What relationship, man? Quantitative variable set. Regression explains about how we can draw a line. Wow. How we can, what exactly, man? Draw a line in between the data points. This line represents about what exactly, man? Pattern of the data. Pattern means knowledge. Pattern means what, Sachi? Can you repeat one more time? What is this word? Pattern, right? Go to our material. ML terminology. Can you read even this word actually? Can you read this word? Pattern. I will cover. In machine learning, I will cover actually. Sorry, man. Move on. This line is also called as a regression line. Regression line predicts the change in y when x what exactly mean increases to 1 unit actually. Okay, so simple, this line it can do prediction on y, and if x is what exactly, either it is increasing or decreasing actually. Here change in y can be what exactly mean either increase or what exactly decrease. We'll see. Don't worry about this terminology. E diagrams miru don't worry about this. Now let me take one real time scenario, regression line. If study time increase, if you take study time on x-axis and grade on y-axis, then we should access some positive relationship in between to what exactly. Best example, previously what exactly I have explained actually, that's what I am trying to explain. Generally speaking, more you study, then we'll get what exactly, man? Yeah, exactly. This one is a universal truth. What exactly, sir? Universal truth. Where you are spending your time really matter actually. Study time increasing, then you will get a good score actually. Repeating again, this one is the time. What you are increasing, study time you are increasing. Positive relationship. What relationship? Positive relationship. Look at the second one. Of course, I know this is the time. But where you are spending actually? Facebook, where you are spending? No study. From morning to evening only Facebook actually. Then I'm sorry, no score. What exactly, sir? No score, negative relationship. What relationship? Negative relationship. Your score, it is going to, your graph is going to down actually. Please understand. Instead of studying, if you spend more time on Facebook actually, then we'll get what exactly, man? Negative relationship. I believe everyone should be follow this area, not in below area actually. Below area. Regression line formula. Regression line, what exactly? Can I tell you one small point? In meeku point cheppantara? Let me tell you. In the year of 2011, in the year of what exactly, man? 2011, I have a Facebook ID. I have what exactly, man? You cannot believe, around completely morning to evening, 3 to 4 days, completely Facebook I spend actually. I frustrated like anything. At 4th day, 5th day, I feel there is no use. Asal dini valla manaku upayogam ledhu anukoni. You cannot believe, till date I don't have a Facebook ID. Till date actually. If you want to ఒకసారి మీరు అలా యూస్ చేయండి, సోషల్ మీడియా కనుక మీరు అడిక్ట్ అయిపోతే యూ కెన్ ఫర్గెట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, యూ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ యూస్. ఎట్ సర్టెన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ యూ కెన్ ఫీల్ ఇరిటేట్ అండ్ ఫ్రస్ట్రేట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. యూ కెన్ లివ్. సార్ మేము వేరు సార్ అంటారా? ఓకే, వేస్ట్ మ్యాన్. ఆల్ సోషల్ మీడియా, సోషల్ నెట్వర్క్, దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ టెక్నికల్లీ, దట్ ఈస్ రియల్, ఐ కెన్ అప్రిషియేట్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ టెక్నికల్లీ, I really appreciate actually, really appreciate. If you started use social media, distractions will come, Sarji. What will come? Imagine there is a YouTube you are watching. There is a one technical discussion. What is a Python you are watching? Suddenly ads will come. What will come? Imagine if you are minimizing and if you are watching. Beside of this one, there are some cinema stories will come actually. Am I right or not, sir? More distractions. Anduku social media ki enta దూరంగా ఉంటే అంత మంచిది. Anyway, that is up to you. Back to the session. Regression line formula. Regression line, what exactly mean? Formula. What is a regression formula? Y equals to mx plus c. Did you remember? Same story. Regression formula. Regression having the formula. Having the formula. Y equals to mx plus c. Or you can even say like this actually. This is so called as a y cap. This is so called as what exactly mean? Y cap anali danni. Y cap equals to b0, that's still okay, b0 plus b1 of x. b1 of what exactly mean? X actually. b1 of x. Daniel, is this formula important? Very, very important. Very, very important actually. Even I would like to tell y equals to mx plus c. Otherwise you can still even say y cap equals to b0 plus b1 of x. That's still okay. Move on. Yeah, Daniel, everything has a meaning here. Y cap is called as a prediction value. Y cap is called as what, man? Prediction value. Left hand side, what? Y means always output. Y means always what, man? Output. Can I give one live example? Okay, live example mantara. Yeah, let me take one small live example.
Slope, yeah.
Let me take well-known data set.
Slope, yeah.
Can I tell you the good news? Now we are in Monday, right? Here is Monday, kada? Monday, Tuesday. Maths we are going to close tomorrow. Wednesday, Thursday. Feature engineering we are going to close Thursday. Maybe last week I have promised I may start on Wednesday or Thursday machine learning, kada? Come again? Okay. Friday chippana nenu already. Then we are aligned actually. We are on right track. Trust me, this week we are going to start machine learning. We are going to start what, man? In a data science, the major topic is the machine learning. To understand the machine learning, whatever I have covered previously, that's something like a bridge. Something like what? If you don't know Python, sorry, you cannot understand machine learning. If you don't know pandas, you cannot understand machine learning. Python and pandas are main pillars to understand machine learning. That's what I'm telling. Please do small revision before we touch ML actually. Before we touch ML, okay? Yeah, good. Move on. Don't miss. Be regular. I know you are very regular. Good. So, I need to cover these all things, right? I would like to tell what do you mean by Y cap. Y cap and ento cheptanu chudandi. Area, rice packs. 110, 220, 330, 440. 4 what exactly? 40. Okay, 440. Sir, this is so called as a, can you tell me X? This is so called as a Y. Am I right? When I say Y of I, Y value can be 10, 20, 30, 40. Are you with me or not, sir? Good, let me tell you. Daniel, can you do the prediction? Yeah, let me do the prediction. For 5, can you tell me, sir? 50. This 50 is called as a Y cap. 50 is called as what exactly, man? Y cap actual. Ante the prediction value, the prediction output is called as a Y cap actual. But Daniel, what about the 4? 40 means what exactly? No, Y only. Why? Because this is the existing data. What data, Sachi? Always we need to find out unknown data point. For 6, I don't know. Then do the prediction. Then 60. This is also called as a Y cap. This is also called as what exactly, man? Y cap. Daniel, what is a 40? 40 is Y. 40 is what exactly, man? Y. Best explanation. You should understand actual. మీకు అర్థమైందా? Move on. From 1 to 4, well-known data. Tell me, sir. Well-known actually. Above data points are called as well-known data points. Well-known data points. మనకు తెలిసిన పాయింట్స్, right? Above data points are called as unknown data points. Above data points are called as what exactly, man? Unknown data. అంటే ఈ పాయింట్స్ ని 5 ని 6 ని called as unknown data. చెప్పండి సచ్చి, unknown data points. Always we need to do the prediction for unknown. మనకు తెలియని వాటి మీద మనం ప్రిడిక్షన్ చేయాలి. Well known actually. 1 to 4 well known. 1 to 4 what exactly, man? Well known. But 5, 6 and what exactly, sir? చెప్తారా? Unknown data point. Talk with me. What data point? Unknown అంటే we don't know this one. For 5 how much I don't know, and 6 how much we don't know. Then let's do the prediction. For unknown data points we need to do the prediction. No, don't worry. During ML you can easily understand. Machine learning time లో మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థం అవుతాయి ఇవన్నీ. But anyway, move on. Good. Y cap is called as a prediction value, and B0 is called as a Y intercept value. Y intercept actually. And B1 is called as a slope. Chapana Saji, B1 is called as a slope. This is also called as a coefficient. This is also called as a intercept, right? Yeah, intercept is the best word actually. Then any of the value which is belongs to the x actually, belongs to the x. Don't worry, this formula we are going to work on practically. Good. So this is the, let me tell you, on x-axis I have taken all well-known data points. Repeating again, on x-axis I have taken well-known data points, all study times I have taken. On y-axis we are taking grade, I mean to say marks we are taking. What you are taking? Marks. Now, can you tell me actually, y cap means what exactly? We need to do the prediction. We need to do what, man? Get ready. Y cap means prediction value. Madam, y cap means prediction value, right? And we'll get the x value. We'll get what exactly, man? X value study time. So called as a intercept. Then B1 is called as a slope. B1 is called as what, man? Slope actually. B1 mano slope on. Okay? Move on to the next. Is this formulas important? These formulas are not important. Ivanth important kadu. But anyway, let me highlight actually. Right. Daniel, ultimately, I hope you already know LHS equals to RHS. This one is a LHS value. This one is what, man? RHS value. Left hand side, ultimately we need to calculate this value. To calculate this value, B0 you should have aware, B1 you should have aware, input also you should have aware. B0, it is having the formula in the backend. What is the formula, you know, Sarji? Any idea what do you mean by Y? Tell me, can you read actually? Y bar means, that's it. Sample mean B1 into X bar. B1 into what exactly, man? X bar. Very good. This one is the B0 formula. The next one, B1 formula. What is the B1 formula? Yeah, team, tell me what is R? Very good, you remembered. S of X means? S of Y means? All topics are correlated. I mean, all topics are interconnected actually. Please understand. Previous all topics you should have. Finally, we already know. Manaki input already tells you. Number of hours of study. Let us take this is the formula, right? This is the formula, right? Let us take one small real-time scenario again. Inkoka real-time scenario, this one should. Ready? Then we are ready. Study time. This one is a GPA score. Imagine 1 hour study time, 2.0, 2 hours, 1.5. You might have a TOEFL exam, some exams, am I right? Per day. How long you are studying, that really matter actually. Per day, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, something like that. 2 hours, 1.5. 3 hours, what exactly? 2.5. 5 hours, 3.5. If study time increase, automatically grade also what is happening, Sajid? Increasing. Just imagine. Okay. Now I'm sure this is representing with the x-axis. This is representing with what exactly? Y-axis. This is the existing data. This is what data? Existing data. With this existing data, let me create a model. Let me create what, Sajid? That model, it will be helpful to the upcoming student actually. Come on, let us plot the data. Let us plot the data. Then you'll study time and GPA. Study time is input, GPA is output. Study time is the X, GPA is Y. GPA is Y. And study time is what exactly, man? X. Oh, Daniel, then come on. X. What is the minimum value, Chaptara? In X, what is the minimum value? 1. What is the maximum value? So we may not take 1 to 10. I mean to say that on x-axis. Instead of that, we can find the frequency. I hope you know. You may have, these are all 12 actually. What is the minimum value here? 2. What is the maximum value? 4.5. That's still okay. Let's start from 0 to 5. Oh, get ready. Can you tell me 1, 2.0? Yeah, Daniel, 1 lies here and 2.0, I'm sure the data point lies here actually. Andika sir. 1. Oh, very good, Daniel. 1, 2.0. This is the data point. I would like to tell 1, 2.0. The next one, 2, 1.5. On x-axis 2 value, y-axis 1.5. Exactly this data point. This data point. Respectively 3, 2.5 and 10, what exactly, sir? 4.5. Sir, just look at the diagram. Just look at the diagram. Data is traveling. Exactly. First, try to understand. Upwards direction. If it is upwards direction, positive relation. What relation? What do you mean by positive? If x is increasing, y also increase. That is called as a positive relation. That is called as what, man? Can I ask a question? This diagram is so called as a? Exactly. What exactly, man? Scatter plot actually. We have created a scatter plot. Now, what is the regression? Draw a line over the, we are going to draw a line. We are going to draw a line actually, right? Do you want to do the prediction actually? To do the prediction, these are all steps we need to do. First, to find the relation. First point, what, Sajid? Try to understand data is a upward direction or a downward direction. If it is really having the relation, no, you can just try to create a scatter plot like this actually. You can apply correlation. You can apply what, man? Correlation. After correlation, you can go for regression. You can go for what, man? Regression actually. Did you remember me 4 words చెప్పాను గుర్తున్నా? చెప్పండి. Imagine there is a data set. There is a data set actually. What is the first one? Relation. Next one? Correlation. Next one? Oh, very nice. You remembered, I guess. Regression. Next one? Very nice, search prediction. These 4 words remember, it will be very easy. One more time, please. Relation, correlation, regression, prediction. Nice. Old batches kala cheppavanu telusa. This is I created. Relation, correlation, regression and prediction. I used to tell my name is Nirekshan actually. My name is what exactly? Nirekshan. Last word alage end avuddi. Relation, correlation, regression, prediction, Nirekshan actually. Nirekshan. Anyway. Yeah. Move on. Where are we? Yeah, very good, sir. Now, what do you mean by regression? Draw a line over the data. Chapana Sarji? Draw a line over the. Indirectly, this line is going to help. Then how to draw that line? We need to use the formula. I will tell you how to use that formula actually. What is the regression line formula? Y equals to mx plus c, or else b0 plus what exactly? b1 of x actually. Okay, move on. Y cap equals to b0 plus b1 of x. b1 of what exactly mean? X actually. And here I need to highlight. నేను ఇక్కడ highlight చేయాలి. What Daniel? Okay. Prediction value for any given input. B0 value. B0 ఏమంటావు అంటే, can you tell me? Intercept. B1 value. చెప్పండి. Slope. దీని కోఎఫిషియంట్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. కోఎఫిషియంట్ పాయింట్స్ టు బి నోటెడ్ యాక్చువల్. ఓకే, యా, come on please. So I can spend some time. We have another 5 minutes time. Come on, time on the 5 minutes time on. Can I continue? Move on. Look at the diagram. Very easy. Yeah, y bar equals to, get ready. Y cap equals to b0 plus b1 of x. According to that formulas, x bar we need to calculate, y bar we need to calculate, s of x, standard deviation for x values, standard deviation for y values. Man, what is our? Very good, man. What is the correlation value? 0.9 means?
Very, very good.
Very strong, yeah, very good. Very strong relationship actually. Very strong in the relationship in the sense, for any given value, you can do the good prediction. You can do what, man? Good prediction. You should understand. A points and me gurutunda. 0.9 value. 0. What exactly, man? Can I ask you one question? There is a x value and y value. I calculated correlation. I got correlation value is a 6. I got correlation value is what, man? 6. Explain it. Invalid actual. What exactly? You can tell directly. First of all, do you know correlation or not? Okay. Why? Because correlation value should be -1 to. That's it. That's it actually. Yeah, boss. So b0 value. Let me just have to calculate y bar minus b1 into x bar. Then here b1 also you should have. What is the b1 value? Daniel, r into s of y divided by s of x. All previous topics is interconnected actually. Please understand. Now, what is r value correlation? What is the correlation value? 0.9. Very good. S of y, standard deviation for y. Chapana Sarji? 1.08. S of x, 3.226. That's it. Let's calculate this value. We got it b1 value. 0.311. How much value? 0. There is a meaning. Then meaning ఉంటుంది. We'll see. Maybe tomorrow. B0 equals to what exactly, sir? 1.45. It's a right time. Yeah, B0 value we know. The next one, B1 value we know. It's a right time to substitute. Also, you can call as a, let us impute the values. Y cap equals to 1.45 plus what exactly mean? 0.311 into x. Now, what you need to understand is, people have given the data. Can I take the diagram? నేను diagram తీసుకోమంటారా? Okay, ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి. Let me take the data. Oh, time up. No, diagram draw చేస్తాం. Go back. In real time, always will get data, sir. మనకి డేటా వస్తుంది ఎప్పుడైనా సరే. This one is our data. We'll get a data, the flow. Then from the data, ఆ డేటా నుంచి మనకి we'll get diagrammatic representation. Yeah. We'll get what exactly mean? Diagrammatic representation. We'll get formula like this actually. Yeah, this is what you need to be understand. Okay. It's okay, let me try my best. Daniel, what you're trying to explain? Hold on, please. Kangar badadu. Meer kangar badi nan kangar betadu. Let me take this. From here, we'll get this diagram. This is what you need to be understand. ఇది మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay. Sir, మీరు ఫోకస్ చేయండి. Everybody kindly please focus. This is data, sir. This is what? From the data we are showing pictorial representation. Why? I wanted to find the relation. Just by looking at the data, we cannot understand relation. Data చూసినంత మాత్రం మనకు అర్థం కాదు. Even if it is understanding small points, man, I'm giving 1 lakh data points. How many data points? Then definitely diagrammatic representation is required. If it is 110, 220, 330, 440, diagram not required. But let me tell you, 10,000 data points, diagrammatic representation really help actually. So by using data, what we can do, we can draw a diagram. Within the diagram, there are formulas. There are what, man? If you have given this data to the mathematician or else ML engineer will give the formula like this. Why this formula? Prediction formula. What formula? I will tell you tomorrow. Conclusion of the story, there is a data. Back end, data means internally it is having the formulas. Hidden patterns ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎలా ఇవ్వాలి మీకు? ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఇన్ డయాగ్రామెటిక్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్. సో హోల్డ్ ఆన్, ఐ విల్ గివ్, డోంట్ వరీ.